Today on Cooking with Tovia, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy shrimp tad pie per request from Aaron. Please remember you can find today's recipe in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my new uploads on Mondays and Thursdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Please follow me on social media, and if you need to contact me for business purposes, you can find that information in the description box as well. So let's go ahead and begin with today's demo. So I have some rice stir-fry noodles, or you can find pad thai noodles, and I have here some lukewarm water. And I'm going to soak these in lukewarm water for about 10 minutes. And the reason why we're going to soak them for a little bit and not too much heat is because we don't want these to fall apart. So soaking them in this lukewarm water will soften them a bit, but they'll still have that nice al dente bite. So here in the bowl, I'm going to combine my fresh lime juice. I have here some oyster sauce, fish sauce, and soy sauce, and then finally brown sugar. We're going to whisk that together, and then we're going to set this aside. So I'm heated up my wok here on high heat, and I'm adding some canola oil, and I'm going to turn the heat down to medium. And then I have some bell peppers that I just sort of cut in a julienne manner. We're going to add that, and we're going to cook the bell peppers. We're going to cook the bell peppers for about 2 minutes, just until they begin to cook a little bit. So it's been about 2 minutes. And I'm going to add my garlic. I'm not on too high of a heat here because we don't want the garlic to burn. The reason why we're cooking these veggies first is because it's going to allow them to become more fragrant, and it's going to really have a nice flavor in the end. So we're just releasing all the oils from the peppers and garlic here. So I'm going to turn the heat back up to about medium high. I'm going to just press all this to the side of the pan for a moment. And then I have here some super large jumbo shrimp that I've already peeled the vein, but I left the tails on. And I'm just going to place the shrimp into the pan. I'm going to just tilt the pan to allow some of that pepper and onion to absorb into the shrimp. All the flavors to marry together. And we're only going to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes per side. So I'm just moving to make sure the shrimp are not crowded together. So the shrimp is beginning to turn. We're going to flip all the shrimp over, and we're going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes on the opposite side. So the shrimp is done, and one of the things I failed to mention is I added some salt and pepper to this off cam. So I'm going to remix our little sauce here that we had earlier that we made. So just re-whisking to make sure everything's distributed. I'm not going to add any eggs to this because I can't have the eggs. So we're going to go ahead and pour this into the pan. Then to this I'm going to add some bean sprouts, and I'm going to just give that a mix together. And then I have our rice noodles, and I'm just going to give everything a nice toss until the noodles are completely coated and heated through. So a few more things I'm going to add to this. This is starting to heat all the way through. I'm going to add scallions. And then I'm going to add some steamed broccoli. Let's give that a quick, I'm going to turn off the heat. So now what I'm going to do is place some of this up, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to garnish and serve it. I'll put some of that in the bowl. So here it is, everyone. I have one that I've already garnished. I just have some lime slices and I put peanuts on top. I just want to garnish it in front of you all. So I'm just put a little bit of peanuts on there. And I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes. So let's give this a taste. Can't wait to taste it. It smells really nice. So I'm going to just give everything a mix around here. And see, the idea is the peanuts were supposed to stick to the noodles. And you see they are. So I'm going to give this a taste. Forgot to squeeze some of that lime on there. And let's give the shrimp a taste. It's beautifully cooked. Amazing. This is kind of sweet, kind of tangy, peppery from the red pepper flakes, but this is really amazing. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share this video. Add it to a playlist. Leave a comment if you have any or a recipe request down in the comment section, and I will do my best to respond to you as soon as I can. And if the recipe is something I make or not allergic to, I will definitely honor your recipe request. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch my videos and supporting my channel. I really appreciate every single last one of you. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together as one whole unit. Thanks for watching.